Last night I dreamed of dodecahedrons. My eyes were bleeding with crimson sight. I tried with all my might to release them. These golden demons, may they take flight. Feet were beating blooming season, dancing for reason, not pageant fools. A ghostly sight of doom collision, one sad decision of yielding jewels. A sick inflation above your brow. We'll push and pull apart this nation for the salvation to which we bow.